how to order on Chick-fil-A app with gift card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can order on Chick-fil-A app with gift card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Chick-fil-A app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here on the main screen, select Find a Restaurant and then choose your location. Select Mobile Order and then choose how you'd like to receive your mobile order. I'm going to go ahead and select Curbside. Then you'll see the full menu. You can tap through the different categories to select your items. When you're ordering a meal, you can add sauces with your entree item, as well as add or delete toppings. You'll then be prompted to select your side item. And finally, your beverage. Then select Add to Order. If you would like to add additional items to your order, just go back to the menu tab. When you're ready, tap the My Order button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. You'll see your complete order for your review. Any special requests can be written in the box provided on the review order screen. You'll then get to confirm the Chick-fil-A location, the method of pickup. Now, in order to pay with gift card, what you have to do is tap on Change, which is next to Visa card, and then just select your gift card if added, or you can add a gift card as well. Then tap on Complete My Order. So that's how you can order on Chick-fil-A app with gift card. That's all for this video.